GoHighLevel's AI allows complete beginners to build world-class websites in minutes. And there's no coding or no intensive tech skills involved. This is the future and it is absolutely insane. Also, in this video, I'm going to show you a super sneaky upsell that you can use once you give them an AI website that will change everything and open the door to reoccurring revenue. Check this out. So when I say AI can build websites in minutes on HighLevel, I literally mean it. So if we come into your back end right here, whatever sub account you want, we're going to go right down to sites and we're going to come right into websites or funnels, and you will see this right here. Guys, I'm telling you right now, this will only get better with time, and it is absolutely in the future. So I want to do two things here. Number one, I'm going to walk you through just using this to build with AI, okay, and some basic price points. Then I want to go using my framework to building a better website with AI just as quick. So first off, let me show you this. And don't worry, guys, I'm going to show you that sneaky upsell later in this video. So please stay around because that could change everything for your recurring revenue. So the first things first is we'll come right in here and we'll come to build. We want to do build instead of assist because it works much better. So I'm literally just going to tell the AI what kind of website I want. So I'm going to say, I want a HVAC website, okay, with pictures, good, high converting copy, a logo in the header that you make, and make it clean and modern with blue colors and gold accents. Okay, so we gave it something really basic. It's not even that great, but let's see what it spits out. Boom, look at that. That is a pretty good website. And I gave it barely anything. I mean, you see this? Now, obviously, some stuff is kind of out of whack, but look what I gave it. I mean, this is literally what I gave it. This is not very detailed, and it still did a better job than most templates. You guys have to understand how powerful this is, and you can do this exact same thing on the funnels inside of HighLevel as well with Build with AI. So you can basically generate these in minutes, if not seconds, okay, using these Ask AI add-ons from HighLevel. Guys, I'm telling you right now, there is nothing like this, because when I show you the upsell with this, it basically gives you the ability to build really valuable products in minutes. You guys have to understand the value in this. By the way, if you have any questions, drop them in the comments. I'll answer personally, so do not worry. The goal in the future is to go in and build something much better. So it's to have something way more laid out. So what we want is we want something that goes through like, I want these colors here, I want this picture there, because if you get really dialed in, it will go through and it will do it. Obviously, for the sake of time, I just slapped it in, but you still see how good it was. So what you can do now is you can come right in here and you can ask it to do more things. Like, hey, I want to change this, I want to change that, and it will do it for you. Again, work smarter, not harder. This is how we save time. So this is the first way you can build AI websites inside of HighLevel. Don't worry, we're going to go over the selling and the upsell in a second, but there's also another way to do this, and it is using a template plus AI. So if we come right in here to new templates and we click from templates, now obviously you want to take more time to make it the best, but I want to show you a different way. So if we come in here and we're like, I like these templates, I like these templates, I really like this one. We find one we really like, okay, and we choose it. There's another way to use AI to spit out a world-class website in minutes. Let me show you. It's coming into this already built website that's already planned all the way we like it. And as opposed to you going through and changing this all around or doing a bunch of stuff with custom values, we can just go right into this AI add-on and go, please change all the copy to plumber related stuff, and anywhere there's a phone number, put, and where an email, put, and then we click enter. Boom, look at that. It went through and changed everything to plumber-related services. You guys have to understand how powerful this is, because now we can take templates and convert them. Now we can do the same thing with the logo. We can do the images. We can go through and switch everything out by asking it. Now I will say as a pro tip, as of right now, do not ask it everything at once. It bogs it down. Ask it for copy first, logo second, then images third, then colors fourth. From there, everything is done in minutes, and then you're good to go. You don't want to say, I want the logo changed right now. I want all the copy changed. I want the colors, because too much will weigh it down. So start with those four and you're good to go. I could just keep going, change this, change that, but like, look at this. It went through and changed all of a sudden. All I said was plumbing copy, and the copy is decent. Now, yes, in reality, we want to give it more than I gave it. I was very, vague. We want to talk about numbers, phone numbers, service areas, addresses. We want to give it more. I didn't, but it still worked. It's proving my point regardless. So what I implore you to do for both of these is get a good prompt down. Again, everyone's is going to be different. Plug it right in. Okay, ask it what to do, and it will spit out exactly what you want. I mean, this is the most beginner-friendly thing you can do. Anyone can type what they want into a search bar, into a type bar. Anyone can do that. This is as beginner-friendly as it gets. They can. So you now can see that you have the ability, either on the funnel side of things or the websites inside of HighLevel, to generate AI websites like that. Back in the day, this took days to build websites. Now it's just boom, boom, boom. And again, if you're thinking snapshots and other stuff, there's just so many ways you can get creative with this. So that's the way you need to be thinking, because again, time is money. Your time is valuable. This saves you time, which gives you more time back. See what I'm saying? Again, working smarter, not harder. So those are your two different ways to generate really good websites like that on HighLevel fast without having to play with so much stuff. By the way, if you have any questions on this, drop them down below. So now what I want to do is go over this upsell and how this all works, okay? But first I want to quickly go over pricing for these kinds of AI websites. So really for websites, you can charge anywhere from $9.97 to all the way to $3,000, even $10,000 if you like. You can charge a good amount of money for websites. You can even go lower. But with the strategy I'm about to show you, sometimes because it is so easy for you, this is one of these I'm showing you, this is so easy to build websites with AI, sometimes it's smarter to give them away for free as a lead magnet to sell them on the recurring services, which is what I'm about to show you, which is so important. Because a lot of people immediately come in and they get this nice little burst of cash. They get the $900, the $3,000, the $5,000. They get the money in, which is great. And if you do enough of those, absolutely, you should always do that. If you're running ads, you can help you break even and whatnot. But a big problem is oftentimes there's no continuity. There's nothing to stick. So they sell these, and again, guys, $25 maintenance packages isn't enough. You need something that can make you that back end money. So what often happens is you shortchange yourself because you get that upfront cash, but then they're gone. And then you're just in this high ticket kind of hamster wheel, which is good, but you need the continuity. With the free offer, and again, I'm not saying you have to do the free offer, but you collect the recurring, and if you set up what I'm about to show you right, you can potentially collect $297, $397, or whatever for pretty much however long you can keep the service up with, which if you do a good job can be like forever. Again, forever being asterisk because everything changes, but like you can keep it for a very long time. I have clients that I still get money from that are from like 2020, 2021, like that area. Like that's huge. And a lot of people neglect this. So definitely make sure you're utilizing the continuity, because otherwise you're just going to be in a race to get one-time payments for HighLevel. So now what I want to do is I want to show you the solution to this and how to make websites super sticky after you've learned how to build them in minutes with AI. Check this out. The answer is, drum roll please, AI voice widgets. This basically gives your website the ability to speak, meaning it can do sales and customer support 24/7. This is huge. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna quickly demo this to show you, and then I'm gonna basically guide you in the next step about setting this up, and we're gonna talk about it in a sec. But before I do this really quick, I wanna let you know, if you are interested in learning more about AI websites and AI voice agents, all this stuff, and really learning how to sell them, I have a 30-day free trial link down below where when you sign up with that, you get access to my entire private community. Okay, you get access to all of my training, snapshots, resources, everything you can see right here, and all of my coaching calls to help you sell these kinds of things and help you learn them. And again, we got all different kinds of coaches and all different kinds of people doing this. So it is really, really powerful. And again, all of this is free when you sign up with that 30-day free trial link down below or upgrade. But if you already have HighLevel and you are interested in this, there is also another link that will show you how to get it like that. But now let me show you this. So when you build, let's say, your AI website, like I showed you, we can add these AI voice widgets to it very quickly. And what these do is sales and customer support 24/7, because one of the biggest problems with websites is they sit there as a brochure, but they don't work the leads. And oftentimes you can do stuff with emails and forms, but like, why not cut all of that out and have something that can talk to customers and leads directly 24/7, weekends, and even holidays? So check this out.
Lexi here. How can I help you today?
Hey, Lexi, how you doing today? Are you having a good day?
Thanks for asking. I'm here and ready to help, so it's always a good day for me. How about you? How's your day going?
I love to hear that. It's good. It's good. I'm just trying to find a law firm that can deal with my obnoxious grandmother.
I'm glad to hear your day's going well. It sounds like you're dealing with a tricky situation. Could you tell me a bit more about what kind of legal help you're looking for? That way I can guide you in the right direction.
Yes. I'm looking for a lawyer to help with my grandma's needs because she's being annoying.
Got it. It sounds like you're looking for legal support related to your grandmother's needs. Is this about estate planning, like wills or trusts, or maybe something else like elder care or property issues?
Yeah. It's stuff like that. It's stuff like that. But I just want to let you know, what kind of law firm are you guys? Do you guys have like integrity? Are you good people?
Absolutely, I hear you. And yes, personal injury law is built on integrity, compassion, and a commitment to doing right.
So I can keep going forever, guys. It'll book appointments. It'll do everything. And the reason I'm asking random questions, I'm showing you it's not like these rigid IVR systems where, yes, you are good. Yes, press 2 to get, customer support. It is sentient. I can ask it all kinds of weird questions from weird angles, and it can answer them perfectly. Oftentimes can answer better than a human can. And guys, this is so important for not only the future, but customer support and sales, because when you get a lot of these people that are more tech afraid, they want to talk to someone. These agents are only getting better. I mean, this one's already amazing as is, but as more and more people go through the site and you send more traffic, you do not want to miss out on these leads. And if people can talk to this and it can book appointments, send them offers, whatever it is, you're good to go. So this is so important. So you got to take advantage of it. And guys, these right here can give you that recurring money, which is what you want. I mean, you can charge anywhere from $197, $297. And again, if you set these up right, you can potentially be making that on autopilot every month. So you definitely want to be focusing on this. And again, step number 1, give them that website. Use AI to create it, just like I showed you in this video really quickly. And then number 2, give them the AI agent for that continuity, which is that recurring money offer. So you get the one time, or you do it for free, and you get that recurring money. So if this interests you and you are like, yo, I want to learn more about this, I'm going to link a video in like 30 seconds. It's going to be right at the end of this video. That's going to go over this right here and how this works. I highly recommend you watch it. It's going to show you how to set these up, put them on websites, because you need to know that as part of your offer. Guys, please, it's 2026, it's going to be 2027 soon. You got to focus on the right offer. And so many of you guys are offering things that businesses just don't need. This, they need. And in the video coming up, it will show you all of that. So thank you for watching. If you have any questions, drop them down below so I can answer them personally. And if you are interested in learning how to sell all this and learn more about High Level, the 30-day free trial link is right down below. But more importantly, watch the video that pops up at the end of this one.